Unlock Your Future, a step-by-step guide for how to apply for a work permit in Luxembourg. Applying for a work permit in Luxembourg involves several steps. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you through the process. 1. Determine your eligibility. For EU, EEA, Swiss citizens, you do not need a work permit. However, you must register with the local commune if you plan to stay longer than 3 months. For non-EU, EEA, Swiss citizens, you will need a work permit. Check specific eligibility requirements based on your nationality and the type of work you intend to do. 2. Find a job. Before applying for a work permit, secure a job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. They must demonstrate that the job cannot be filled by a local resident or an EU, EEA, Swiss citizen. 3. Gather required documents. Employment contract. Signed contract from your Luxembourg employer. Passport, valid for the entire duration of your stay. Proof of qualifications. Academic and professional qualifications relevant to the job. Curriculum vitae. Updated resume or CV. Health insurance. Proof of valid health insurance coverage. Passport photos. Present passport size photographs. 4. Employer submits application. Your employer in Luxembourg needs to submit the work permit application to the Ministry of Immigration and Asylum. They must provide the job offer and description, evidence that the position was advertised and local or EU candidates were considered, information about your qualifications and experience. 5. Wait for the work permit approval. The ministry will review the application and decide whether to grant the work permit. This process can take several weeks. During this time, they might request additional information or documentation. In order for you to be approved in 2 days, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 6. Receive the work permit. Once approved, you will receive your work permit. Your employer will usually receive it first and then pass it to you. 7. Apply for a residence permit. For stays longer than 90 days, apply for a residence permit at the local commune in Luxembourg. This can typically be done at the same time as your work permit application or shortly after receiving your work permit. Documents needed: valid work permit, proof of accommodation in Luxembourg, birth certificate if applicable, marriage certificate if applicable. 8. Travel to Luxembourg. With your work and residence permits in hand, you can travel to Luxembourg. Ensure that you have all necessary documents with you. 9. Register with local authorities. Within 8 days of arrival, register at the local commune where you will be residing. You will need to provide your passport, work and residence permits, proof of address in Luxembourg. You will receive a residence certificate, which you should keep with you at all times. 10. Obtain a social security number. Register with the Luxembourg Social Security System. Your employer will typically assist with this, but ensure you have your social security number for tax and social benefits. Additional tips: language. French, German, and Luxembourgish are commonly used in Luxembourg. Knowing one of these languages can be beneficial. Legal advice: consider consulting with a legal expert or immigration advisor to ensure you meet all requirements and follow the correct procedures. By following these steps, you should be well prepared to apply for and obtain a work permit for Luxembourg. And that's a wrap on your journey to working in the enchanting land of Luxembourg. Whether you are about to embark on a new career adventure or simply dreaming of what is to come, remember that every step you take is a step towards your magical future. Believe in the power of your dreams and let the magic of possibilities guide you. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more magical content. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a moment of our adventures. Share your journey with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you are making your dreams come true. Until next time, keep believing in magic and let your dreams shine bright. See you in the next video.